Google searching is dead. Yep, you heard it right. If you're still using Google to search the interweb, you're yesterday's meme, folks. We've got the latest and greatest AI tool that's going to totally change the way you search online. And on top of that, you can also go ahead and forget about chatbots like Gemini or ChatGPT. This beast does it all. So in this video, we're going to show you exactly what Perplexity AI can do and why this LLM is better than the rest. And in the second half of this video, we'll also show you its brand new feature called Perplexity Pages. This shizzle is going to totally revolutionize the way you write content and save you literally days of research. So if you're a student drowning in research, or you've got a tight deadline on a work project, you've got to get on board with Perplexity AI. This is going to be a lifesaver. We've signed up to the Perplexity Pro model, so you can watch this video and decide whether you want to do the same. Enough chat. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. You can access the basic model for free, and once you're in, you'll find a pretty basic and clean dash. From the home page, you can go ahead and type in a search term. The history of large language models. And this is where it all becomes clear. Bye Google. Look at the way Perplexity AI presents the data to you. And all in under 10 seconds. Right up top, it's giving you its academic source references. That's hugely helpful and something you don't get with other LLMs. Just click on the source and it'll take you right to it. That's hours of time saved right there. It then gives you a brief answer followed by a whole load of information, all laid out in a really simple and logical fashion. So easy to digest. It's condensed all of the information provided into one page. Imagine how many Google searches it would take to get all this information. And down at the bottom, it even gives you related and relevant topics you might want to explore. This is where Perplexity AI really shines. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding it and expanding your knowledge. Perplexity AI goes beyond simply providing answers. It acts as a research assistant, suggesting new avenues to explore and helping you connect the dots between different pieces of information. Like having a personal tutor who guides you through the complexities of a subject, making it easier to grasp and apply the knowledge you've gained. But it's got so much more to offer. Over on the right here, it's got a Search Images feature. Click on that and it'll give you reference images. It'll even provide links to YouTube videos on the subject matter. And if you are working on a document and you want to generate your own unique image to use as a header, you can just click on the Generate Image tool right here. Then choose from the styles provided or even enter your own custom prompt. Remember guys, all of this information came from just one search entry. Now if we go to the settings, you can drill down even further into things like which AI model you want to use. You'll find it has multiple options, each one with its own benefits. Claude is a great choice for creative writing tasks, like generating poems or writing scripts. It excels at understanding and responding to complex prompts, making it a versatile tool for brainstorming and content creation. Sonnet, on the other hand, is optimized for factual and informative tasks. It's particularly good at summarizing complex topics and providing concise answers to questions. If you're looking for a reliable source of information, Sonnet is a solid choice. Llama is a powerful model known for its ability to handle large amounts of data and generate human-quality text. It's a great option for tasks that require a deep understanding of language and context, such as translating languages or writing code. And then there's GPT-4, the latest and most advanced model from OpenAI. It's incredibly versatile, capable of handling a wide range of tasks with impressive accuracy and creativity. If you need a powerful and general-purpose AI assistant, GPT-4 is the way to go. Ultimately, the best AI model for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. So experiment with different models to find the one that works best for you. On top of that, you can also choose which image generation model you want to use. 3 options here, and they're all top-notch. Stable Diffusion, Playground AI, or DALL-E 3, probably the pick of the pack for image generation. And before we head out of settings, a quick word on this tab here, data retention. Basically, if you want to keep all your searches private, turn this off. Let's go back to the home page because right here there's something really cool to show you. If we click on the Focus tab right here, it'll give us a drop-down of search options. This is unreal. So you can use it in a traditional search engine kind of way, but You've also got options for academic searches, math, writing, video searches, and social. Perplexity AI transforms the traditional search concept into a multifaceted tool, offering specialized search options tailored to different needs. You can dive deep into academic research, tackle complex math problems, generate polished writing pieces, discover relevant videos, or explore social media content. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your brain. For instance, under the Academia tab, typing in machine learning instantly yields a curated list of 9 authoritative sources. Struggling with math? Perplexity AI is your new math tutor. Need to craft a compelling job application letter? Let the AI assist you in creating a persuasive document. Looking for a captivating video on a specific topic? Perplexity AI has you covered. There's no other platform that offers this level of versatility and efficiency in one place. But Perplexity AI is not done. The Discover tab is like having a personal news curator at your fingertips. It transforms your browsing experience, offering a curated selection of articles, videos, and other content tailored to your interests. Think of it as a news feed that actually understands what you want to see. Simply choose from a variety of subjects, and Perplexity AI will populate the Discover tab with relevant content. Whether you're passionate about technology, science, sports, or entertainment, you'll find a wealth of information waiting for you. But it doesn't stop there. The Discover tab is constantly learning and adapting to your preferences. As you interact with the content, Perplexity AI becomes smarter, refining its recommendations to match your evolving interests. It's like having a news feed that grows with you. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's just pause a second. Notice anything? Or actually, is there anything missing? Yep, no ads. Awesome. But here's the icing and cherry on the cake. This is where Perplexity Pro really kicks in. This is going to change the way you write and present your content forever. Perplexity Pages. Just type in what you want your page to be about. The history of music from the 2000s. Choose your audience. Is the information you're presenting for beginners, experts, or anyone? And check this out in real time, fast as you like. Right away, you get a picture it's chosen just from your single prompt. And if you don't like that image, change it or let AI come up with something for you. You get a full table of contents, each section with its own heading, starting with the intro section. You can edit it, have it rewrite the intro. You can add new sections, and it'll even give you a heads up on sections you might want to include. Check it out. Choose a new section, and you've even got the option to be concise or detailed. Adding just text, or media and text. Bam! Whole new section pasted in right there. Maybe you want to move the section up or down? No problem. And it's totally contextually aware too. So if we type in here what came before, it totally understands what we're asking it. Look, see. It's like having a versatile writing assistant that adapts to your style and preferences. Whether you're a student crafting a research paper, a marketer creating compelling blog posts, or a professional building presentations, Perplexity Pages has you covered. But the real power of Perplexity Pages lies in its ability to evolve with your content. As you refine your ideas and add new information, the AI adapts accordingly, ensuring that your page remains coherent and informative. So at this point, let's say we're happy, our paper is all complete. We now want to publish it or share it. So just click on the Publish button over here. It's auto-copied, and then you can share that anywhere you want. So let's open up our Publish page. This is what it looks like. Beautifully formatted and ready to go. And what's even cooler is, it encourages collaboration and engagement by allowing others to ask follow-up questions and contribute to the conversation. This means that people can then interact with your published paper and start their own thread. Your content becomes a dynamic platform for knowledge sharing and discussion. Perplexity Pages is more than just a content creation tool. It's a collaborative platform that empowers you to create, share, and engage with your audience in new and exciting ways. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can brainstorm, collaborate, and refine your ideas with the help of AI. Perplexity Pages breaks down the barriers between writer and reader, creating a dynamic environment where information can be shared, discussed, and expanded upon. Imagine a world where your blog posts become living documents, constantly evolving and growing with the input of your readers. But hang on tight, just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier, up steps a chatbot like no other. Grok. This is Elon Musk's LLM project, and boy, oh boy, are you going to get a whole heap of detail in this video right here. Grok is modeled after the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Do we have your attention? It's all waiting for you right here. Click the link and let's dive deeper together. So long, and thanks for all the fish.